Hey guys, so today I'm making a screencast to show you how to do this lab, okay? So here's what we're going to do. You're looking at pesticide resistance for ticks, thinking about this tick repellent like Canine Advantix that we put on dogs. So what would normally happen with ticks, those animals that drink dog's blood or cat's blood or any kind of animal, that medicine would cause them to be paralyzed and eventually kill them. But in this pretend population, we're going to act like there's been some new form of resistance that's happened due to a mutation, right? So a mutation is any of that random change in your DNA. And sometimes that can be good, sometimes that can be bad. In this case, it's caused random resistance to this drug to occur. So because of this mutation, our population has grown out of control. There's an infestation problem. We've got all these issues. So this doctor wants to be able to apply this drug to kill the resistant population, but we have to understand what's happening with the population. So for this lab, you're going to look at pesticide resistant color, that'll be blue, and a normal tick will be red, okay? So you're going to take a total population of 20 ticks. And all you're going to do, y'all, is you're going to times, and it gives you the directions right here also, you're going to times the population by this percentage. But before you can do that, you have to change it into a decimal. So for example, our first generation has 5%. That is pesticide resistant. So you would take 20 and you would multiply it by 0.05. That would give you 1. So you'd go over here and you'd click one tick. You want to click on this little color until you see a diamond shape. And then you should be able to fill it in. So if they're resistant, you're going to make them blue, right? If they're non-resistant, they should stay red. And that's it for generation 1. So now you're going to look at generation 2 and so on and so forth, right? But for generation 2, all we do is we put a decimal point right here. So we move our decimal point over 2 spaces, move it over 2 spaces, 0.15, which would give us 3. So 20 times 0.15 is 3. Click on it till you see the diamond shape, fill it in, okay? Same thing. You got this population, 40%, blah, blah, blah. So you're matching your percentages, your numbers for each generation, okay? You shouldn't fill them all in on one little square. So, and then you're going to come down here. You're going to answer your lab questions about your tick population and what causes evolution to occur. And then you're going to turn in your lab, okay? If you started this yesterday and you didn't have time to finish, now is your chance to finish and turn that in because it is in the grade book. Once you're done with this, please check out my list of things underneath number 3, which show you the date and everything that is in the grade book right now. So you can check yourself, turn things in as you need to. Just send me a little message on Remind or on my Google Voice that you turn something in. I don't really get those emails to my Gmail account. So make sure you text me on Remind or Google Voice, okay? Otherwise, I don't know. All right, so if you need anything, let me know. Good luck. You guys will be great.